Hey guys, people have been asking for a celery juice update. If you haven't seen my videos before, my name is Jim. I make videos about chronic pain. Mine is due to about 40 years now with thoracic outlet syndrome, or TOS. And also I've had 3 lower back surgeries, including 2-level fusion on levels L4-5 and L5-S1 almost 4 years ago now. So that's coming along pretty good. I had back pain for many years, probably most of my adult life. So it's coming along slow, but I've been working on my mobility like a little every day, and I've been drinking the celery juice for almost 11 months now. I started out at the beginning part of March, so today's what? Beginning of February, so yeah, almost 11 months. The first 5 months I was drinking it twice a day, in the morning and the afternoon, and lately I've just been doing it in the morning. And I'm also doing the medical medium heavy metal detox smoothie. I've been doing that. I started that just about a week after the celery juice, so been doing that almost as long. I do that smoothie in the morning. I have the celery juice in the morning, and then usually the heavy metal detox smoothie after that. So what am I noticing? People have been asking, how's it going? Are you noticing anything? I feel like my muscles are getting a little softer, and I really haven't had any bad pain flare-ups. I used to get these flare-ups that would last a few weeks or a month or more sometimes. It could be I'm just, my overall mobility has been improving. I've been working on it for probably about 7 years now, 7 or 8 years. So it's been slow. I mean, I know it sounds like a long time, but I got to the point where I was in pain for so many years I could hardly move anymore. So it's coming along pretty good, I would say. One thing I noticed, I don't know if it's from, TOS or thoracic outlet syndrome, or it's Raynaud's syndrome, but last year, I had a lot of problems with my fingers turning white, from, I guess, Raynaud's syndrome. And this winter it hasn't happened. I mean, I've noticed them getting a little tingly and starting to maybe look a little white, but they haven't gotten just white as a ghost like they used to get. So maybe I'm just more aware of it, and I get them, into my pockets or in front of a heater or something. But, I'm wondering maybe if the celery juice and the heavy metal detox smoothie might be helping that. It's possible. Or maybe that's just my mobility's getting better and things are opening up a little bit up here more. Hard to say, but that's an improvement. Like I said, my muscles feel softer. I haven't had really any bad flare-ups. Oh, it seems like my stomach, my digestion is better. I don't need to take Alka-Seltzer and Tums like I used to. I used to take a lot of those. So I think those things are helping my stomach and my digestion. Oh, and one other thing, I had hemorrhoids pretty bad. I even had a surgery 5 or 6 years ago, but it still really didn't, help all the way as much as I wanted to. But those seem to be a lot better. So I think those are it's helped with that a lot, because when you get those flared up, it's it's painful to sit, and I was having a lot of trouble walking even, because it would kind of get sore when I walk. So that's definitely improved a lot. So I would say overall, I feel like I'm making pretty good progress, so I'm just going to stick with it for a while longer, like at least a year. And if I'm doing good, I might as well just keep it going. I mean, the worst part about it is you have to go to the bathroom more often, but it kind of, usually after, I go a couple times in the morning and kind of get flushed out, then I'm pretty good for the rest of the day. It seems like it gets better with time as you kind of flush more of the bugs or whatever's in your digestive tract out. So that's not as bad. I think the biggest drawback is just having to keep stocked up on celery and then the ingredients for the heavy metal detox smoothie. But overall, I feel pretty good. I feel pretty clear-headed too. I've talked about kind of having a spiritual awakening over the last several years, and I feel like the more vegetables and the more plant-based foods you eat kind of help with that as well. Like, I feel like I'm, pretty in tune with what's going on lately and feeling pretty good. So that's my 11-month update. I'll just keep it going and let you guys know down the road how it's going. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.